So, in this SAT question, we are given the cost of renting a kayak, which is going to be $20 for the first hour. Okay, now, here, what do you have to do? Just we have to create a plan here. Within the first hour, this person has to pay $20, right? So this means, so within these hours, when you insert 1 to the h, the answer is going to be 20. And plus an additional 20 for the each additional hour. Okay. And the next 2 hours is going to be 20 plus what? 12, which will be 32. Or third hour, 32 plus 12, it's going to be what? $44 for the next parts. In this case, what do I have to do? Just we have to insert 1 to h, because h illustrates number of hours, and we have to find it for the h hours kayak's renting cost. So now, let's insert 1 to the given expressions. So when you insert 1 to here, it's so simple, but you may just simply use Dasmus to work out with this expression. So from the first expression, as you can see, it turns to 32. It's going to be totally incorrect A choice. But what about B? Okay, here you have to insert 8 and the same. As you can see, it turns to 20, right? So yeah, B choice can be selected. What about this one? 12 multiplied by 1. It's going to be 12, incorrect. 12 multiplied by 1, 20 plus, not 12, 20 plus 12 is going to be then 32. It's incorrect again. So yeah, the answer should be B, because when you insert 2, it's going to be what then? Again, 32. When you insert 3, it turns what? 44. Yeah, exactly. B choice should be selected in this SAT question. So, in this SAT question, we are given what? We are given this person which is training for the first marathon by going on the long run every Monday. So every Monday, this person goes for running, right? Then she will run 4 miles on the first Monday. Okay. On the first Monday, he will run 4 miles, right? Okay, just you have to write them down like this. Then every Monday after the first one, she will run 2.5 more miles. More means we have to just simply add. And the next part is going to be 4 plus 2.5. It's going to be what then? 6.5, right? Okay. This is going to be for the next expression. And we have to just simply select the answers from by giving these expressions. So, which of the following equations represent number of miles M will run on the nth months of the training? Okay, so this is going to be the first means when you insert 1 to the given expressions, so the expression should be 1. When you insert 2, the expression should be 6.5. Okay, now let's insert this expression to the first one. 4 plus 2.5 multiplied by 1. It's going to be 6.5, right? But the answer is going to be 4. A, incorrect. What would be 1.5 plus 2.5 multiplied by 1? It's 4. Yeah, when we select. What about the next one? Okay, we have to insert 2 to the given expression. Then the answer should be 6.5. Yep, now it's correct, right? So 2 times selected. It's called double checking. That's why only you have to select B choice in this SAT question. So, in this SAT question, as you can see, the given function G models the number of the gallons of the gasoline that remains from a full gas tank in the motorcycle after driving m miles. So, this question is so tricky because some candidates may make mistake when they are working with these SAT questions. So, it says that according to the model, about how many miles per gallon can the motorcycle travel? Okay, the given function G models the number of gallons means at first what do you have to do here? You have to find that the per gallons. So you have to insert this expression to 1. After that, we may just simply find that for per gallon it may consume how many miles, not consume, it may drive how many miles. So from the decimals, here we have to work with this expression. Okay, so 1 equals 2, then what? 1 equals 2 minus 0 0.08 m multiplied by plus 8.75. As you can see, to m miles it can travel 69.875 miles. So in this case, as you can see, within 1 mile, this person can drive m miles. So this one, in this case, what you have to do? The question says, according to the model, about how many miles per gallon that can motorcycle travel. As you can see, this 0.08, which illustrates the consumption, right? In this case, just simply you have to divide 1 to 0.8. Okay, then you can just simply find that. Okay, so 1 divided by 0.08 is going to be 12.5. So this is going to be C choice. So in this equation, we are given Julia and Drew both work together in the year. And when Julia works alone, she can finish her job within 18 minutes faster than the Drew can. Okay. The equation below can be used to find the time and minutes it takes Drew to find the job alone. So it says that, so what's the meaning of 54 at this point? So when these two people work in SAT questions, we are given single formula, which is going to be the work done by together, which is going to be like 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y equals to 1 divided by z. Just how to use this formula. As you can see, they are given in these ways. So 54 is going to be total time or total anything which illustrates. Okay, so this is being given here, which the first person can be made done the work 18 minutes faster than they drew. Okay, so 54 just simply which illustrates the total time or total minutes. Okay, now from the answer choices, we have to think about them. The number of minutes it takes Julia and Drew to finish the job working together. Okay, it's going to be selected. The number of minutes it takes Julia to complete job. Now only this one Z, which will not illustrate the single person's work, which illustrates the work done by together. Okay, the B choice eliminated. Number of minutes it takes Drew to complete. Now not again. It should be for two person. How many fewer? So with this expression, which will not illustrate how many fewer, how many more, so only single choice should be selected as A. Now, in this SAT question, we are given that a company that manufactures calculators in monthly profit by subtracting its fixed monthly cost. Okay, now as you can see, we are given a single equation. As you can see, this expression is which illustrates, the 12,000, which is going to be fixed costs, right? Fixed cost. Okay, and profit is going to be what? This one, profit is going to be 36,000 is going to be profit at this point. Then X, which illustrates calculators that are manufactured and sold. Okay, so X is going to be manufacturers calculators and which illustrates the solding. Okay, so here is given what 36,000 is divided to X, right? Means it can be the number of manufactured calculators or sold one. That's it. Just have to find the meaning of this expression in a SAT question. It says that the average cost. Okay, as you can see, we are not given any kind of average word at here, right? Doesn't illustrate the average cost or fixed cost, so HO should be eliminated. Profit per this one sold in June. Yep, this can be selected because 36,000, which illustrates what? Profit, right? Just simply write them down that here. It can be B. The revenue for each sold in now, not about revenue. Yeah, in ounce it can be these two words can be synonym, but profit and revenue is going to be totally different words. The total revenue, it's incorrect again. Total revenue is going to be just simply 36,000 for at this point. So the answer is going to be then B.